DJI released the new DJI Action 3 on the 14th of September 2022, and because we loved the Action 1 camera, we had no hesitancy to get this model. This unboxing video was made with the DJI Pocket 2. First of all, we can't fault DJI's store. We ordered it on a Thursday morning, and it was delivered Friday afternoon before 2 p.m. A really great service, especially when we thought distribution started from the 28th. Opening the box, you can see on the left panel instructions on how to install the app, load the battery, and put the camera inside its case. On the top right is the DJI Action 3, and under that more instructions on how to use the adapter. Under the right panel instructions is the battery, USB cable, rubber lens ring, and magnetic adaptive stand. To install the battery, open the side cover, and then slide the battery inside. After turning on, setting up, activating the camera, and then updating the firmware on the camera, we were ready to go. The DJI Action 1 is on the left, and the DJI Action 3 is on the right. Again, the DJI Action 1 is on the left, and the DJI Action 3 is on the right. Both have not been adjusted. Straight off the memory card. The DJI Action 1 is on the left, and the DJI Action 3 is on the right. Both camera settings are on auto, 4K and 30 frames per second. The DJI Action 1 is on the left, and the DJI Action 3 is on the right. Both camera settings are on auto, 4K and 30 frames per second. Which camera's video do you think is better? Both cameras are set on auto, and the videos are not adjusted. Which one do you think looks better? Is the one on the left, the DJI Action 1, better? Or is the one on the right, the DJI Action 3, better? Let's look at the DJI Action 3 video adjusted. Not adjusted. Adjusted. Do you think it looks better adjusted? We like DJI went back to the same form as the DJI Action 1 with the new DJI Action 3. Slightly heavier and larger than the 1, the 3 has a longer battery life and a bigger sensor. On its first job at the protest in London, it performed well, and the video from Brompton Cemetery showed its potential, and we look forward in making the DJI Osmo Action 3 our main on-the-ground video camera. We hope you liked this unboxing and the first use video of the DJI Osmo Action 3. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning into the Two Boomers.
The Two Boomers Tech Show. Tech unboxed or tested is purchased by the Two Boomers. Subscribe to this channel.